Hey guys, it's Elwood. This is another action lighting video. Got to take care of some business real fast. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. If you really like these videos, make sure to hit that notification bell. That'll let you know right when I post them. I really appreciate your time. And if you guys have any comments, you want me to see any other videos or anything like that, leave me a comment. All the products in this video, there's a link in the description. So if you want to find any of this on our website, just go down the description. All the links are there. So thank you. So today we're going to get into sockets. All right. And these are like light sockets, not like sockets as a tool or a tool in a car or something like that. These are just simple sockets. These are really great to use in channel, like this piece of channel right here. I got it already pre-drilled for the 3 sizes we're going to be talking about. So these sockets you can find online under all kinds of different names. Obviously replacement light socket, bakelite socket, phenolic socket, marquee socket, channel socket, replacement. I don't know if I said that one already. But anyways, lots of names, all for the same thing. Let me tell you what it kind of means. My favorite one is bakelite, of course. When I heard that word for the first time, I thought it was like some magic oven. You put a cake in it, you bake it, comes out 100 calories less than normal because it's a bakelite. But that's not actually what it is. Bakelite actually is the trade term for the product that's actually phenolic resin. Okay, so the gentleman that invented phenolic resin or came up with the application of it in sockets, basically his trade term for it was bakelite. But phenolic resin basically is really heat resistant, and that's why they use it in all the sockets. So all these sockets have some basic functions, of course. All of them, you can screw the light bulb in. These ones have a butterfly wire connector on them. So you just basically twist that apart. You can see the teeth in there. That teeth, you drop your wire in there. You always want to use a stranded wire. Twist that back, and that makes the connection for you, okay? These are held in place with a metal clip like this, so a little spring clip, which I'm going to demonstrate here in a minute. We make these ones in 2 different sizes. We have the E12 and the E17, okay? Candelabra intermediate. Slightly different in our design. One of my favorite sockets is this one's the 2248. This one is a threaded collar socket. So as you can see, instead of a metal spring clip, it has a threaded collar that you can tighten in place. It also has a threaded wire cap, which is a little bit different also. But you're still going to see those same teeth in there like the other sockets, okay? The reason why this socket's one of my favorites is this threaded collar gives you a little bit more room on your subsurface. You can actually use this on some bigger materials, okay? On these sockets, you're never going to want to use it on a material that's thicker than 1/8 of an inch. Preferably thin metal is what these are designed for. So let me get into it. These are really easy to install. I'm going to be demonstrating them on our aluminum channel. As I said, we got the holes all pre-drilled. Super easy to use. You just drop your sockets in from the front. Then you just basically put your clips over and push them down. Okay, you want to push these down until they're firmly seated. And when you're doing it on our channel, make sure that the clip is not going to be blocking the connecting area or anything like that. But there you have it, installed. Then you do your wiring, put your next socket in, take your clip, push it down. This is when it's nicer to have that tool. You can use a deep well socket to push over it, get that, but boom, right there in place. See how easy that is? Piece of cake. With this guy, I already got the wire cap off, so there's usually a wire cap there. Unscrew the threaded collar like so. Drop that in also. Take this, spin it like that until it's tight. Boom, drop your wires in. Attach your wire cap. And then install it into your channel job. All right, so hey, there we go. More action lighting products trying to make life a little easier. But hey, if you got any questions for me, please reach out. You can email me at elwood@actionlighting.com. You can always give me a call at 800-248-0076. Once again, I really appreciate you tuning into not only our YouTube, our Facebook, Instagram, all of those things. And let me remind you, make sure to remember to subscribe to our friends and family pop-up on our website. You'll get great exclusive deals. You'll also get advance notice when products are coming back into stock. And once again, man, thank you for your time. Thank you for your business.